Hello South Africa. Kaizer Chiefs finally find a capable Blom replacement. Kaizer Chiefs have reportedly reignited their interest in holding midfielder Thabe Cele, who is set to become a free agent. Can he replace Njabulo Blom? Having a consistent, high-quality pairing at the base of midfield has been a long-standing issue for Kaizer Chiefs ever since Njabulo Blom departed for MLS side St. Louis City. Now, Chiefs could be on the brink of a solution in the shape of Thabe Cele. The 26-year-old commercial-born star impressed in the engine room on recent COSAFA Cup squad duty with Bafana. He's a natural, specialist holding midfielder but has box-to-box capabilities which make him a valuable asset. Thabe Cele spent 5 years playing his football in Portugal before signing for Polish Ekstraklasa side Radomiak in 2021. At that time, Chiefs and Stuart Baxter were interested in the holding midfielder but he opted to remain in Europe. According to SABC Sport, Chiefs have offered Cele a 3-year deal and the player is open to putting pen to paper. To add spice to a potential deal, Njabulo Blom side St. Louis are also reportedly interested in Cele. You can never say never in football. Maybe we'll come back to South Africa, even though I still want to grow in Europe. We never know about my future. I can't rule out playing for a PSL club, he told SABC Sport. Cele made 20 appearances for Radomiak last season and has earned 7 Bafana caps. He was handed his international debut by Stuart Baxter in 2017. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Luke for the South African.